Hey guys, my name is Shauna Dungo, and I'm here to tell you about my time in digital literacy COM 110. Basically, want to reflect on this course outcome that stood out to me, which is communicate online in various media and genres such as wikis, blogs, social network sites, and discussion boards, evaluating and selecting the appropriate register for the audience and the information being conveyed. Okay, so this stuck out to me because didn't even know what a wiki was. I really thought that it had something to do with like Wikipedia or something, but when I actually start to do the wiki, with my group, I saw that it wasn't formatted, like a regular paper. The wikis, you can add pictures and, it had like different paragraphs and you basically read it as one. And it's online, so it's not like a regular book format. And it also comes with like, we had to add in a table of contents, which I thought was like really cool. But what I would say is that the wiki kind of gave me a little bit of difficulties as far as like how to format them. For example, I wanted to like put the introduction first, like at the top. Me and my group didn't really figure out how to format it, but we were still able to format it in a way where people could kind of see what was first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So even though I learned the wiki, I still have like a long way to go as far as completely mastering it. But I think as the semester progressed and like the professor laid out so many ways that we can like kind of use it and like update it and stuff like that, we were able to communicate with each other. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I basically did, learn how to use it a little bit, but I think I can use some work, it basically helped because in another class we had to use the wiki, and since I already used it in this class, I kind of was like a step ahead, so I appreciated that I already knew how to use it. What's next to come for me is probably watching more YouTube videos on like wiki and just Blackboard and mastering it, because I know further on in my semesters I'll be told to, use wikis and blogs and things like that. So I really would like to learn how to format it. So probably read a little bit more on it. Maybe I skipped something went over my head. But I think I think I'll yeah, I need more practice because that will not work. That's why I said, so I think I can grow in this area, watch a little bit more videos, you know, I don't know, maybe read a little bit up on it, but I need to learn it a little bit more. But I know how to work it. I'm not too bad. I don't think I'm so bad, but I appreciated that. I was able to get in and learn a wiki and actually communicate with my group members. And I think it's cool how we all can like do our research and come back and all post on the same wiki and see the pictures that each of us post. So I think this was really pretty, much cool. It was dope. All in all, I do think that I achieved and learned this course outcome. I think I did a good job. For tuning in.